There's no medic. Come on, son. Good catch.
It didn't even kill me, my team did.
Run him back, quick. Hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Bleed out, bleed out, bleed out.
2, 3. He's seen there, he's looking around corner now. Literally one, immediately.
That's it, back in.
He's got range, look at that fucking gun there, he's got range. Yo, we need you. They'll tell you what to do.
Top far right corner. Right, come in, no. See where the airbags are here?
There, it's the top far corner.
What's building in the right corner is peering round.
Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, we're on the 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Bleed out. Guy coming down that corner.
Greg.
Blue. Ah! 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Where's our fucking tea room? If I put Mickey Mouse, is that a signature? I'm not going to do enough, pal, I'm here. I'm not that sort of player. Whereabouts you want me?
I think it's in here.
Is it? Wait.
Yeah, just to the left of it.
Yeah?
Yeah, just some paper there.
You got first one to catch one?
Yeah?
Yeah?
I don't think many have been caught, to be honest.
I think we've got 2 or 3 of yours.
Alright.
Yeah. Right. Do you want to take me back? So I'm not... No one fucking decides to, or...
Yeah, that's it.
Hey! You won't clear it all then.
I'm just going to make a room for you.
Pass your pistol on, but don't will. Come on. Oh, this one.
Put it down, yeah. Put the earbuds. Blue! Blue! I was shouting blue.
Oh shit. Alright.
Both it, pal.
50-50.
50, yeah.
Go again.
Yeah. Well, you're just going to walk out?
Yeah, I need to break it up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Bleed out, man out, bleed out. Man out, bleed out. Man out!
21,
Fuck's sake.
22, 23, 24,
Can I go again, my door?
What?
Can I go again, my door?
Yeah, if you want.
27, 28, 29. Like in that middle building.
Fucking tell you what, that was fucking bad that. There was no need for that. I know the old mates and that, like, but the fuck out walking out went bleed out. I just up and fire right bad on me fucking back. That was bad that.
Right, push it. If you see me, just go behind there.
I gave him 30 seconds, I counted.
It's not that, I've just been fucking overkilled.
It means you and me.
Hey, shot put. I was doing like the Matrix style, I saw him and I just couldn't see that under that bush. That's why I was zigzagging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, man to you forward, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Bleed out!
One of them's just not called the
I know, tell me about it.
In that middle building, where
Yeah.
where that right door is. There.
Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Bleed out!
Chris, watch your back.
Somebody knows.
Oh, the ball player. Oh, lucky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ah, shape up! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Are we happy, Marshall?
Oh. Right, we're going to watch this guy here because that's our guy before. But
No, that's a yellow band, isn't it?
what, the stood sat down?
Oh, the one that sat down, yeah, he's that.
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, didn't go off, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, bleed out, bleed out, bleed out. You ran it out? Pardon?
Got 2 free kills there.
Tempter.
Right, they've gone through the door, they've gone through the door. That's someone through there. Just now we're going to peek through this window.
Make him jump.
Oh, no.
I wouldn't. Just leave it.
I'm going to go around and just go through the
They're still firing from around
Yeah.
here. No chance, have they?
They are, they've still got a good range.
Sorry.
Oh,
One round this corner and a scheme over there, okay?
yeah.
We're right round this corner, right in the corner of that side. I've got no range against him though. You see him?
Yeah, in that door. He's in that doorway, dear.
Yeah, I'm going to go in here, okay?
Right, go on.
Oh, he's gone inside, he's gone inside. He's inside, I see him.
He's in window. Got to, fuck off straight away.
lamppost? Can you get it? Can you get in the
No, I can't. Window's not. Got 3 of them.
On that wall.
Yeah. I'm just stopping him from getting to our man. You believe that?
Guys, you understand there with your hand up?
Gotta stand there, aren't you?
Yeah. Do you want to grab him and come across to me? Come over here.
I've got him back with you. Where's our pen and piece of paper? It's inside. I feel like holding your hand, pal, sorry.
Right, right.
I feel like we've known each other for ages.
Oh, hello again.
Where's ours?
In the front tea room.
Is it in the front tea room? Fucking hell. You probably know more than what I do. So to say you're the first one I've caught.
Watch out, we've got a guy coming down here.
Got another one here.
Nice.
Oh, hey.
Back again.
There's someone else got
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your Monica. Have fun. You're late shooting you.
Oh, sorry, I left the door open.
See that?
That was quality.
Open the door!
Good game, pal. Did you have some tea and biscuits?
I offered cheese, coffee.
Oh, well.
You like that tonight?